So you might be wondering why there's a video on how to moisturize your skin, because this is something that is supposed to be common knowledge. But if you give me a few minutes of your time, I'm going to be explaining some things to you, and also I'll be sharing with you how to use your lotion to get maximum results on your skin. Basically sharing with you how to get beautiful, radiant and youthful skin with your lotion. My channel. If this is your first time here with us, my name is Dikan, aka Coco, and I film videos like this one. I film skincare videos, DIY content as well, product recommendations, skincare tips and tricks, and basically everything to help you get to your highest radiance and glow. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a rule I have created called the MMSP rule to help you get going with your body glow routine. So how to moisturize your skin with your body lotion to get maximum results. First of all, this isn't a recommendation video. It is more like a tip video on how to get your glow game on your body going really fast. I do have videos on my channel where I have recommended top moisturizing lotions for your body. So if you're looking for a good recommendation, I'm going to link a video on the screen. Definitely check out that video after this one. So now you have your desired lotion that you want to be applying on your body. The first thing you want to do for your lotion routine is definitely washing your skin. You do not want to apply lotion on dirty skin because it is counterproductive. So the first step to your lotion routine would definitely be washing your skin. Now once you're done with the shower, the next thing you want to do is of course dry your skin. All you want to do is use your towel or whatever cleansing cloth you use to dab the excess water off your skin while leaving your skin still damp. So what I mean is that your skin will still be slightly wet but not overly wet with the water on your skin. Now you will need this water residue to help you get your lotion into your skin much easier. Now for an adult, depending on your body size, the general amount of lotion that you would need for your body should be about 8 pumps and above. There is no reason why you should stay lower than 8 pumps for your entire adult body. For kids, this amount would be different because of their body size as well. And also for adults, depending on your body size, if you're on the bigger size, you will need of course more than 8 pumps. And this is no shade to anyone. It is just the size that your body is. You will need more product to go around your body. In applying your lotions, you would need to be generous with application, because what's the point of moisturizing your skin if you're not actually moisturizing? Now we are no longer using 2 pumps or 3 pumps of lotion and just running it through our body with speed and just jumping out of the house. We're taking our time to get a generous amount of pumps into our hands. And if you're not using lotion like a pump bottle, if you're using cream, you're taking a generous amount of cream for your body. And now this goes for whatever you decide to use on your skin. If you're using a lotion, be generous with your pumps, about 8 pumps. If you're using a cream, a body butter or whatnot, make sure that you're generous with your application. Now you don't want to keep looking ashy, like whitish on the skin after you've applied your lotion. So please be generous with your lotion. It might cost a little bit more to use more lotion when you're applying, but that is why I always advise that you stay on a budget when it has to do with your beauty products. If you guys know me on this channel, you know I find ways for you to stay on a budget. So definitely look out that video where I recommended affordable lotions for the skin. Now after you've taken a good enough amount of lotion, body cream, whatever you're using on your body, so now we are on the first M of the MMSP rule, which is moisturizing. Now you want to go over your body in circular motions with your lotion. Bear in mind that you need to spend a bit of time moisturizing your skin. You would need to massage your lotion in circular motion into your damp skin until the product disappears into your skin. This is key, guys. Make sure to take time to apply your lotion until your product disappears into your skin. Now that is a proper lotion routine. Please do not rush. Yes, there are times where you could be busy and you would need to run out of the house. Please create time for you to be able to massage your lotion into your skin. Please note that there are different lotions for different skin types. So depending on your skin type, please go for a lotion that works well for your skin type. Now for how long you would need to massage this lotion into your body, I would say spend about 2 minutes minimum massaging lotion into your entire body. That is not enough time in my opinion, but the minimum that you should spend massaging lotion into your skin should be 2 minutes. Now after you've moisturized with your lotion, body cream or whatnot, the next thing you want to do is to seal this moisture with an oil of some salt. Now I always advocate for beauty oils because they are just so great in nourishing your skin and sealing moisture and hydration on your skin. Now the one that I personally use is the Golden Glow oil from Organics. You can use any oil of choice, but make sure to seal in moisture on your skin the same way we would do with our hair. Is the same thing we should do with our body as well. Apart from using a beauty oil, if you're a body butter person or a natural butter person, you can go ahead and use a natural butter of some sort. It could be shea butter, mango butter, avocado butter. There's lots of butters out there you can use on your skin to actually seal in the moisture from your lotion. Now if you have drier skin, this could be a good trick for you. Instead of using a beauty oil, you can substitute that for a natural butter of some sort to help with sealing in moisture on your skin very much richly. So now we are done with moisturizing, massaging into your skin thoroughly, sealing with a beauty oil or a natural butter of some sort. The last step for our lotion routine or moisturization routine would be protecting your skin. What do we need to protect our skin? Of course, by now you guys already know the gospel that I preach: sunscreen. Now when you're done with this very thorough lotion routine, the next thing you want to do is protect what you have just done. This magic that you've just created for your skin, you want to protect it with sunscreen. Now you can use any sunscreen of choice. I've recommended lots of sunscreens on this channel. My personal favorite currently is the Garnier sunscreen. I'm going to put it on the screen. So it's a big tube container, so it goes a long way for the body. That's the sunscreen that I am currently using on my body. It doesn't leave any white cast. It goes into your skin very well, like it absorbs well without leaving any residue. So I love that sunscreen. Definitely protecting your skin after you've moisturized, massage the product into your skin, seal the product into your skin would be the last thing that you would do to protect your entire lotion routine. Now apart from this MMSP rule, I have told you how much lotion you would need to apply for an adult body. I've also told you that it is important to pick the right lotion for your skin type, and I've also told you the importance of applying lotion on damp skin. Now the next thing I would like to share with you guys for a lotion routine that is beneficial, especially for nighttime, would be including an exfoliating lotion in your beauty regimen. Now what that would do is that it will help your skin regenerate itself faster while you're sleeping at night, because that is what our skin does while we are sleeping. Our skin tries to renew its cells. So using an exfoliating lotion of some sort would help to boost that process while you're sleeping. Now the result that a practice like this would give on your skin is that it will smoothen your skin. It would help with all of those hyperpigmentation issues as well. It would also help with issues like strawberry skin and white patches on the skin, dark patches on the skin. We speak on exfoliating our face a lot, but exfoliating the skin for the body as well is as important in having radiant skin. So that'll be it for this video today. When next you're applying lotion on your skin, please remember the rule that Dikan created for you on YouTube called the MMSP rule in applying lotion better on your skin. Just stick it to your brain and this will definitely change your skincare game. It will change your lotion routine. Now sometimes the problem might not be the product, it could be what you are doing or what you're not doing to get the results on your skin. A practice like this would definitely go a long way in helping you get beautiful, radiant and youthful skin. So that'll be it for today. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed this tip that I shared today, and if you're not subscribed, definitely make sure that you're subscribed and click on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post a video. Also check out other videos on my channel. It will go a long way in helping you get your glow game starting. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do well to get to you. If you've used any of my tips and it works well for you, please drop a comment to encourage someone else in the comment section. On this channel we are our sisters keepers, so we let ourselves know the gist for the moment, what is currently helping with our beauty and our glow game. And you guys know that I usually cannot wait to share good things with you. Also, if you want me to know that you were here today, please drop some love hearts in the comment section for me and I'll do well to reply you. Please make sure that you're subscribed if you're not, and I think that'll be all for today. And as usual, I wish you guys a perfect, beautiful and luscious skin, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.